Good morning students, welcome to Gopi Krishna online classes. Today we are here to discuss about plastic and environment. In last class we discussed about the what is plastic and types of plastics and also about properties of plastics. Plastics are light in weight, durable, strong and they are poor conductors of electricity. One more important application of plastic is it is non-corrosive, non-rusted. Plastic does not get rust. Today we are going to discuss about what are the effects caused by the plastics. That means plastic disadvantages of plastics. How the plastic can affect the environment. How the plastic can affect the environment. So now, for example, when you are going to market to buy something for shopping, the shopkeeper wrapped the things in plastic bags. Yes or no children? He packed the things in plastic bags and we are taking the things along with the plastic bags to our home. Yes or no children? Nobody will carry the bag from home to shop. We are going simply and buying something. That shopkeeper packed the all items in a polythene bag. He covered it and giving to us. We are taking that things along with the plastic to home. This is the major reason to increase the plastic bags or to increase the plastics in our home. Then what will do that increase plastic things in our home, children? Definitely the plastic things are going to be increased and it form a garbage. Finally, the plastic will take its way to the garbage. Yes or no, children? But the disposal of plastic is very difficult. The disposal of plastic is a major problem. Whenever you are buying from the shop, he given that plastic bag along with the things. You are taking to our home. One day you take it, second day you take it, third, fourth, like that you are taking. Means the plastic bags or plastic items are increased in our home. It leads to the garbage. Then where we dispose these all items? The disposal of plastic leads to major problem. Why? Why the disposal of plastic is a major problem? Remaining the waste we are easily disposing now. We are throwing, but the throwing of plastic, the disposal of plastics, why it is difficult? For that, before going to disposal of plastic, we will discuss two important topics. They are biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means what, children? All materials does not decompose. Some of the materials will be decomposed by natural process such as bacteria are called biodegradable. The material which decomposed by natural process. Such as bacteria are called biodegradable. Understood, children? The materials which decomposed by natural process, which decomposed by natural process, such as bacteria, are called biodegradable. Non-biodegradable, children, the material which does not decompose by natural process, that are called non-biodegradable. The material which not decomposed by natural process, such as bacteria, are called non-biodegradable. Understood, children? Biodegradable means the material which decomposed by natural process, such as bacteria, are called biodegradable materials. Non-biodegradable materials means the materials which not decomposed by natural process. Which not decomposed by natural process are called what, children? Non-biodegradable materials. We will make one list. What are biodegradable, what are non-biodegradable materials? Write the definition, children. Okay, ma? Next. Material time taken to regenerate, to decompose, nature of material. Nature of material. Okay, children. So now we'll take some materials and find out whether they are decomposed or not, and we'll write whether it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Wastage of vegetables. Wastage of vegetables. These vegetables takes the time from 1 to 2 weeks of time. It takes 1 to 2 weeks of time to decompose. That means after 2 weeks, the wastage of vegetables are decomposed by bacteria. Understood? It mixed with soil. The residue will not present on the it after decompose. It is mixed with the soil. So it is completely decomposed. So what kind of material which is materials? Wastage of vegetables? It is a biodegradable material. Biodegradable material. Why? Because it is biodegradable? Because after 2 weeks, wastage of vegetables are completely decomposed. That's why these are biodegradable materials. Understood, children? Next, paper. Take paper. We are using papers for writing. Paper takes 10 to 30 days of time. 10 to 30 days of time for decomposing. After in the time of 10 to 30 days, paper is completely decomposed. Understood, children? Paper is completely decomposed. That's why paper is also the example of biodegradable. Biodegradable. Okay, children? Understood, Nana? So why? Because these two are biodegradable, because wastage of vegetables is time taken to decompose is 1 to 2 weeks. In the span of 1 to 2 weeks, wastage of vegetables are completely decomposed. That's why they are biodegradable. Same like paper also. Paper has taken time 10 to 30 days. In the span of 10 to 30 days of time, these are going to be decomposed. So that's what it is as example of biodegradable. Next, cotton cloth. It takes 2 to 5 minutes. Cotton cloth. It takes 2 to 5 months. In the span of 2 to 5 months, cotton cloth is going to be decomposed. That's why it is example of biodegradable. Biodegradable. Okay, children. Next, take woolen cloth. Woolen cloth takes the time to decompose. 1 to 10. Woolen cloth take the time about 1 year. About 1 year. Woolen cloth may take the time 1 year to decompose. That's why this is the example of biodegradable. Next, take wood. Wood takes the time to 1 to 15 years it takes the time 1 or 2 to 15 years of time to decompose. But take iron, aluminum, tin, like the take metals. These metals takes time to decompose 100 to 500 years. 100 to 500 years. That means it takes so much of time to decompose. That's why it is categorized as non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. Finally, plastic items. Plastic item, several years, thousands of years, several years, it is undefined. Several years means non-biodegradable. See children, for plastic I wrote several years. Several years means it is not possible to define the time also to decompose the plastic. That's why it is non-biodegradable. If you taken one plastic, one polythene bag from the shop, if you throw outside, it is not mixed with water or not mixed with soil. It is like that only, that is covered by soil and eaten by the cows, animals. Very dangerous problem. They are not decomposed by any action. That's why the disposal of plastic is a major problem. If you throw outside, but it is not decay, it is not decomposed. If you throw the vegetables, after some time, it is there mixed with soil. But like that you are throwing plastic means it is not decomposed easily. That's what children see. Vegetables, biodegradable. Paper, biodegradable. Cotton cloth, biodegradable. Why? Next to woolen cloth, biodegradable because it has several time. Certain time is there to decompose, to mix with soil. But for metals and plastic, there is no time. There is no time to decompose. That's why it is a major problem to dispose of the plastic. So by seeing this table, make sure don't use a more plastic for silly things. Understand children? Some plastic. So since the plastics take the several years to decompose. Yes or no children? So it is not environmental friendly. The plastic is not environmental friendly. It causes pollution. The major nowadays the environment is more polluted by the wastage of plastic. Yes or no children? Other side, if you are not throwing, you are trying to burn the plastic. The burning of plastic is quite slow process. You are trying to burn, but the plastic is completely not burned. Plastic items are not completely burned. And during the time of burning, it releases so many poisonous gases into the environment. That poisonous gases may lead to the air pollution. Understood children? That poisonous gases may lead to the air pollution. That is a major problem. If the air is polluted, in the air, the concentration, the percentage of the carbon dioxide is going to be increased. If the percentage of the carbon dioxide is increased, it leads to the global warming. That means the temperature on the earth is going to be increased. It is a major problem. Here one more problem is there children on the burning of plastic, because plastic is not completely burned. It burns partially. Due to partial burning of plastic, it releases carbon monoxide. It is the more poisonous gas. More poisonous gas. So these gas, if you inhale the carbon monoxide into your body, that carbon monoxide is mixed with hemoglobin present in our body. It forms carboxyhemoglobin. What it forms in that? Carboxyhemoglobin. Due to the formation of carboxyhemoglobin in our body, it stops the circulation of oxygen to the parts of the body. Then, because if carboxyhemoglobin is formed, blood is clotted. Blood is clotted. Then it stops the circulation of oxygen through the body, through parts of the body. Then it is very dangerous, children. Understood, children? Yes. So by seeing this table, please make sure don't use the more plastics for unnecessary uses. Okay, children? Write the table, note the table, and write the definition of biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Very important. Learn this table, children. We will continue the lesson in next class. Okay, children.